The Megavent retractable roof is a unique product which can be used to beautify an open terrace. It provides protection against rain and sunlight. It also gives protection to the furnitures because of the UV-coated polycarbonate sheets. These enclosure are lightweight but strong by nature and has the ability to sustain all weather conditions. The Megavent retractable roof has non-corrosive parts made of aluminum and stainless steel. It is also easy to maintain and simple to clean.